Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Qatar Airways ticket to Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, this will help you keep your boarding pass ready on your phone without needing a printout. So, first of all, you need to check in for your flight. You can do this via the Qatar Airways application or by their official website. You just have to first of all come here on Qatar Airways. Afterwards, log in into your account. Then when you go to the My Trips section, simply enter your booking details and complete the check-in process. Now, once the check-in is completed, you are going to receive your boarding pass. This is important because only the boarding pass can be added to your Apple Wallet and not the original ticket. Now you need to open your boarding pass. You will find it inside the Qatar Airways application or in the confirmation email which is sent to you. Now you need to look for the option that would say add to Apple Wallet. Now when you are able to find that option, you just have to simply tap on it. Then a preview of your boarding pass will appear on your screen. You just have to tap on the add button that would be on the top right hand corner of the screen, and your boarding pass will be saved in your Apple Wallet. Now to use it at the airport, you just have to simply open your Apple Wallet, select the boarding pass and show the QR code at security and boarding gates, and it works like a printed pass but is faster and more convenient. So important thing that you need to remember is that this feature may not be available for all the routes or airports. In some cases, you may still need a printed boarding pass after document verification. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.